Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. Taurus, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Taurus. Send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Taurus, let's begin. Let's see what wants to show through for you. And welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here, we welcome you too. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Taurus, let's see what we have here. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Taurus, my email is in the description box below. You can message me there. So center of my spread, I see a very, very angry lady or feminine, I don't know who, Queen of Wands in reverse. Okay, so somebody is really upset here for some reason. Let me see what the cards are. And yes, bottom of my deck, I do see the Two of Swords in reverse as well, which means there is a decision that's been made here. Okay. So before I begin the reading out your cards, let me wish you all a very, very happy birthday, Taurus. I did pull and make you a little video for your year ahead. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll leave a link at the end of the video in case you've missed it. So now let's begin your reading and wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. So the cards I have now, Taurus, for you on my table are the Three of Pentacles in reverse, the Emperor in reverse, Page of Swords, Nine of Swords, Queen of Wands, Eight of Wands, Four of Cups, Knight of Pentacles, and the World. So even though there is a lot of disruption here, there is a lot of restlessness, sleepless nights, no communication, not being able to work things out, maybe with somebody who could be a bit controlling here, maybe keeping a watch on this feminine all the time. There is a lot of sadness here, but things have slowed down, but they haven't ended yet. The chapter is still open. So let's see what this is all about. Let me start with some dialogue message cards, Taurus, for you. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, since I see no communication right now. Let's see if you could say something to each other, what that would be. Taurus and their person. Taurus and their person. Taurus and their person, spirit. Okay. And I'll take a few from here as well. Oops, all right, thank you. Put these properly. All right, good to go. So the first card here, Taurus, that I have for you says, I know that I shouldn't compare others to you, but I just can't help it. You're a tough act to follow and absolutely no one measures up. No matter what has happened between us, you're still the one. So I do see things are really not working out here. Maybe there is somebody who's not at their best, but still keeping a watch, still kind of looking at this feminine who seems a bit upset with them. When you ran, I felt like I lost my light and plunged into darkness. My heart and even my spirit shattered into pieces. I'm trying to heal, surrender, and trust in the divine plan, but I fear I'll never be the same again. Next card says, who knew that one of the greatest challenges of my life would be the love of my life, who after meeting would eternally haunt my very existence. I think of you before I sleep, I dream of you all night, and I wake up to think of you again. You feed my heart and soul with your love. You are my best friend and my passionate lover. I love you more than anything in this world. I swear you get more beautiful every day. With age you blossom and refine like fine wine. You're absolutely stunning inside out. I see my future with you. I really need your warmth and affection. There is a huge void in my life since you've been gone. So if these are resonating with you and your life story, Taurus, there's one more. I left one out. It says, I didn't have the courage to tell you. So let's start clarifying these cards and see what's really going on. Before I start clarifying, Taurus, I'm going to take an angel blessing card, see how my angels are going to bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. You found it. I always smile when I see this card because I don't know what you've found, who you found, Taurus. Each one of you, somebody may have found the answer to their question, somebody could have found a soulmate, or if there's a problem, you've kind of made some decision regarding it. So you found it. All right. So let's see what's going on here now. Three of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. What's this Three of Pentacles and the Emperor in reverse? Oh, somebody communicated about love. One second. Who's this, Spirit? King of Cups. What's this Three of Pentacles? Somebody communicated maybe about telling the other person to make a decision here. Somebody who really loves somebody else. Emperor in reverse. Emperor in reverse. Because I think somebody is going through a Tower moment and some disruption in their family life. Somebody who's feeling very unloved at the moment. This seems like two different people. The Emperor and the King of Cups seem like two different people to me. Page of Cups, Page of Swords, Spirit. Page of Swords. Page of Swords. This feminine is kind of a little wary right now. Maybe they have their guard up. Maybe they still want all the information. Yes, this could be a new lover. Maybe this could be some new love offer or something. Somebody maybe this person could have communicated to make a decision where this Queen of Swords has her sword up at the moment, not truly kind of jumping into something, maybe still studying the situation or keeping an eye or getting more information about this newcomer in their life. Maybe they've just gotten over something which has disrupted in their life, and they're a little wary and a bit stressed out as well. It's having some sleepless nights here. Why the Nine of Swords here, Spirit? Nine of Swords. Nine of Swords. Whoever this feminine is kind of holding back at the moment. They don't want to do anything that they're going to regret maybe in the future. And there is some trouble in the family life as well, from what I can see. They don't want to make any decision right now. They're just holding back, I think, from everyone and anyone, kind of trying to just be by themselves, worrying about the situation at hand, and not knowing whether they should do anything rash, maybe, where it can lead them to go into some kind of regret about disrupting something which was stable. Queen of Wands in reverse. Queen of Wands in reverse. Queen of Wands in reverse. Yes, they don't want to do anything which is, this person is very, very stressed out. I think they're kind of at a little bit of a stagnation. They don't want to make any quick movement. They don't want to take any quick action. I think this is a self-imposed prison this feminine has put herself in, not communicating either. Eight of Wands in reverse. Yes, they don't want bad karma. They don't want to one more, Spirit, for the Eight of Wands. What's this Judgment card in reverse? And the King of Pentacles in reverse. One more. Whoever this feminine is still trying to gather up their strength. They don't want to do anything wrong where they can get, bad karma or get judged by, or maybe judged by their present partner who's a bit, this person is a bit, not very stable. So let's see, Four of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Four of Cups. There's a lot of sadness here. Yeah, there's a lot of conflict because of this. Maybe in their life, maybe this feminine feels there's a lot of trouble, conflict, and they are quite sad and feeling quite depressed actually at the moment. Taurus, I hope this is not you. This is your birthday month. I mean, nobody's worth feeling bad over, let me tell you that. Knight of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles. Yes, things have really stagnated right now in a connection. Some bad memories have been created. Whoever this feminine is very wrapped up in all these memories at the moment. This is all creating a lot of stress and sadness in their life. Things are still not shut down in this chapter yet. The World in reverse, Spirit. World in reverse. Oops, oops, oops. See, disruptive energy. What's this World card in reverse, Spirit? Yeah, somebody is trying to take a higher perspective, see things from a higher perspective, not knowing whether it's a good idea or not to shut this chapter down. The World in reverse is clarified by the World in reverse. So I think somebody is still trying to gain more perspective. They're trying to see the higher ground while keeping themselves a bit guarded and protected. This is a lot of planning going on. Lot of planning. This person is at crossroads. Taurus, this could be you. This could be your cross watcher. I don't know. But there is a lot of decisions which have to be made. And from what I see, some decision will be made soon. What's this decision, Spirit? What's it regarding? About ending something. But don't worry, whatever this is, whatever heartbreak, Taurus, you are going through or will be going through, I don't know, whatever heartbreak this is, it's going to set you off onto a brand new journey here from what I see. You are manifesting this. You are manifesting complete happiness and the Ten of Cups and the Sun. I do see you very, very soon leaving all troubled times behind and moving on to a very happy and calm space for yourself. So if you are the one, Taurus, if you're the one stressed out, angry, upset, please don't be. You found it. Whatever it is, the universe is behind this. Okay? So that's all I have for you, Taurus. Take care, love and light. Till next time then, namaste.